The inspection period is the part of the contract that is going to protect you from actually being locked in to having to buy a property, pretty much. So let's say you can't find a buyer. This inspection period, the inspection of property, is what is going to allow you to be able to back out of a contract with no repercussions.
At its core, wholesaling is the art of selling contracts, not houses. Here's how it works. Say a wholesaler offers you $150,000 for your house. They're going to sign an agreement with you, and they're not actually planning to buy the house. They plan to sell that agreement they have with you to someone else for $155,000, $156,000, or whatever the number may be, and keep the difference of the profit. Now, if you're happy with the price they've offered you, no problem. Here's the problem. If the wholesaler cannot flip the contract to another for a profit, they're likely to walk away from the deal. Not all will, but many will, leaving you empty-handed with nothing to show, with your house being off the market for whatever timeline you spent dealing with this wholesaler who ultimately walked away from the deal. Here are a few ways that you can protect yourself from wholesalers who do not actually intend to buy your property. Ask for non-refundable earnest money. A good wholesaler should not be too worried about this for two reasons. One, if they cannot flip the property, they will be okay with it because they intend to purchase the property anyway, and that earnest money will go towards the price of the property. Two, they've already got an idea of who they're going to flip the contract with and pretty much already have the deal in place and do not foresee any hiccups. Another thing you should consider doing is asking for a faster closing. Most wholesalers I see offer to close within as little as 30 days. Some are different, but the advertisements I've seen, this is what I've seen. If someone is paying cash for your property, it shouldn't take 30 days to close in most cases. Once the attorney finishes the title work to be sure that there are no liens or no one else has a claim to the property, you should be able to close immediately. In my area where I'm from, that's typically about 2 weeks. Your area may be different. Ask with the attorneys who handle real estate closings in your area to find out a good timeline for you in your area. If the wholesaler does not intend on purchasing the property if they cannot flip the contract, they're likely to walk away to be in such a time crunch. Or if they already have someone they're intending to sell the contract to, that shouldn't be a problem to do a quick flip, and that would actually benefit them to where they can get their money quicker as well. The truth is, anyone can get into wholesaling. There is no training or education required, and very few code of ethics that wholesalers have to adhere to. If I could suggest a healthy alternative, call someone like me who specializes in working with sellers and investors, someone that can bring you multiple cash offers with people who fully intend to purchase the property for themselves. I hope you found some value in this video. I'm Agent Cody with 7 Lakes Realty, and if you would, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to see more home tours and get more great real estate advice.